ProWein 2025 is so successful. Exhibitors are happy, visitors are happy, so we as organizer are happy. We all aware about the problems in the industry, declining consumption, declining and sales. What's better than a trade fair in complicated times to find new business partners? ProWein is the best and perfect stage to find solutions for your problems.
The atmosphere of the hall is so brilliant. The people are brilliant, the people are great, the people are young, the people are crazy. The people have so many ideas.
ProSpirits and ProWein really complement each other. When we launched ProSpirits last year, very successful, we combined each spirits company that was divided in several halls, just in 2 halls, including same but different. I see an emerging market, and that was the reason, because we have created a new brand with ProSpirits, so it's a kind of exhibition in an exhibition.
So the most exciting thing about ProSpirits is definitely the Spirits Business Hub and all the talks what you give to our visitors. It is so perfect that we have that kind of cooperation, what I never saw in any other show, and they are really, really proud of. The seminars were so important because of the visitors we know are hungry of education. They want to learn, they are curious about all those stuff, and that's the reason why it was so crowded. So the bar has been so successful because of people like to network. They want to learn from each other, they want to talk about their products, and of course, at the bar, they can directly try the drinks, and that's what the people want. To create the Spirits Business Hub is, for us, very, very important, because of course we know that the spirits business are very well known in the market, and we could give a stage, and it is a wonderful opportunity to both of us. I am totally excited about 2026, really, to be honest, because I think and I believe that it's going better and better. What Düsseldorf as the city really needs, because we have a culture of a variety of different bars, and what I want in the future is that we bring all the people from here to the bars in the evening. We would like to match the bars with the exhibitors, and I think that we could reach a lot altogether.